Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope you all are great and doing corporate accounting at your home. We are in a series of online classes on the portal of the online classes of SD College of Commerce, and I'm teaching you the corporate accounting, one of the most important subject and the backbone of whole commerce stream. Today I'm going to teach you one of the most easiest topic, that is issue of share. In today's video I'm talking about the two things. Wait. I'm talking about the two things. The first, issue of share at par at premium, and the third is at discount. What does the issue of share at par mean? When, note करते जाइए, please note, when company issue of share at par, it means at its face value. Oblique nominal value. When the company issue share at par, it means equal to the face value at the nominal face value. Example, RIL Limited issue, RIL Limited has 1 lakh shares of rupees 10 each. As its authorized capital, as its AU बोले तो authorized capital, and issue 10,000 shares at the rate 10 each. Then share of rupees 10 is issued in rupees 10 each. It means equal to the face value. When the company issue share equal to the face value, it means it is issue of share at par. The major role in this case is this thing, face value. Face value plays the major, vital, the core role in this chapter. Next point, issue of share at premium. What does it means? When company issue share more than its face value. When the company issue share more than its face value, I told you, when equal to the face value it means at par, when more than the face value it means issue of share at premium. Let's discuss. Let's take an example. Like there are 1,000 brands in the industry. Like in the butter and milk, there are 1,000 brands like Mother Dairy, like Amul, and like Delight. But the cost of the butter of Amul is rupees 50. If I'm talking about the cost of butter of Amul is rupees 50, and in the same quantity Delight is charging only 14 rupees for the same quantity. It means Amul is charging the premium amount of rupees 36. It means Amul has its brand value. When anyone has its brand value, its name, just because of quality, just because of his services, just because of his the standards, in that case he charge the premium services. Okay, and let's take another example. Like the cost of normal shoes, like cost of normal shoes is rupees 1,000. Simple. But the cost of shoe of Woodland, is around 5,000. It means Woodland is charging the premium price. When the company knows that its share has premium value in the market, then company issue share more than its face value to charge the premium price. And the reason behind it, that the company issue share at premium to save fees. The another reason, to save fee of registration. Okay, let's take an example. Tata Steel. AU of Tata Steel is 1 crore shares of rupees 100 each, and Tata Steel, short name Tisco, the short name of Tata Steel is Tisco, Tata Steel company is issue shares at rupees 120. The cost of share, the face value of share is rupees 100, and the company issue share at 120. It means Tata Steel charging the premium price from customer of rupees 20. Do you understand what is the meaning of premium? The premium is charging just because of his brand name, the brand value in the market. Okay, let's start the another topic, that is issue of share at discount. Although issue of share at discount is not allowed. लीजिए बड़ा बड़ा क्रॉस लगाते हैं इस पे, इशू ऑफ शेयर एट डिस्काउंट इज नॉट अलाउड, ताकि आपको याद रहे, so that you know that issue of share at discount is not allowed. Okay, but I am telling you about what it means when the company issue share less than its face value, like IP. FV stands for face value, IP stands for issue price. When the face value is less than the IP, it means which case issue price is more and face value is less. It means 10 and 12. This is the classic case of premium. And when the face value and the IP, face value is more but IP is less, it means the share of rupees 10 issued in rupees 8. It means this is the classic case of issue of share at discount. But issue of share at discount is not allowed. Hashtag not allowed. Allowed in case of sweat equity and reissue. You have to remember, only in case of sweat equity. Number one, it is allowed in case of sweat. Equity and reissue of share. Number three, ESOP. Okay. Thank you guys for this video. So I told you in this video that issue of share at discount, issue of share at par, premium discount. Par means when FV is equal to IP. When FV is less than the IP, it means IP more than FV, then it is premium. When the face value is less and face value is more and IP is less, it means issue of share at discount. Thank you guys.